How to remove third-party apps or website that linked to your Gmail account using your laptop. Make sure you log into your email account on your laptop. You can use your Opera browser, you can use Google Chrome. So for the sake of this video, guys, we are using our Google Chrome. So once you log into your email address like this, you have access to this button. This is your profile picture. Click on the profile picture. Once you click on the profile picture, it comes out like this. Go and click on manage Google account. Here, click on it. Once you click on that button, it brings you to this interface. You see, then you have this place at left side where you have home information. Then scroll down until you see privacy and data. This particular one, click on it. Once you click on this one, just wait a few seconds for it to load up. Then you have access to this page. Scroll down a bit, keep scrolling down until you get to this place, that is apps and services. You have this option here, content saved from Google service. Then under it you have the third-party apps and services. Click on it. Once you click on it, then wait a few seconds for the page to load up again. Now here we have about 25 apps linked to this email address. We have Audiomack and you have the like. So all you have to know is to delete any of these that you are not trust. So let's try and see this one that say XAI. Then click the arrow at the front. Once you click on that arrow, it brings to this interface. Then you have this signing in with Google and others. Then here you see this one, delete all connection you have with XAI. Then click on this arrow. It comes like this. Then go ahead and click on confirm button to delete this particular apps or website from your Gmail account. That is all the simple thing you need to do, guys. If you enjoyed this video and you've not subscribed, please subscribe, toggle on the bell notification icon so that you'll be notified when we drop another important update like this. See you soon, guys, on our next video.